Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs like a pro. First, gather your ingredients: fresh eggs, a pat of butter, and your favorite seasonings like salt and pepper. Next, choose a good quality non-stick pan, about 8 to 10 inches wide. Place it on the stove and preheat it over medium-low heat. This gentle heat is key for perfectly cooked eggs. Now let's make fluffy scrambled eggs. Crack 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl and whisk them well until the yolks and whites are fully combined. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter to your warm pan, letting it melt and coat the surface. Pour in the whisked eggs and stir them gently and continuously with a spatula. Cook until they are just set, but still moist. For a classic omelette, whisk 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of water or milk. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your hot non-stick pan until it foams. Pour in the egg mixture, letting it set for about 30 seconds. Gently push the cooked edges towards the center, tilting the pan to let uncooked egg flow underneath. Fold 1/3 of the omelet over the center, then fold again. To finish your eggs like a pro, remove them from the heat just before they are completely set. They will continue to cook slightly from residual heat. Season generously with about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an extra touch, garnish with some finely chopped fresh chives or parsley. Serve your perfectly cooked eggs immediately for the best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.